Hello and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my daily routine, मेरा रोजाना का मामूल. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Listen carefully and try to catch the main idea. कोई मसला नहीं अगर आप इसको मुकम्मल ना समझ सकें. गौर से सुनिए और मेन आइडिया कैच करें ताकि आप किसी के भी सामने इंग्लिश में अपना डेली रूटीन बयान कर सकें. So let's get started. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. The first thing I do when I get up is go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed. I usually like to wear comfortable clothes because I'm a teacher and I work with children all day. After that, I have breakfast with my family. I always have a cup of coffee and some fruits. Sometimes I eat toast with butter or jam. At 7:45, I leave my home. I walk to the bus stop to catch my bus to work. It takes me about 20 minutes to get to work. I start working at 8:30. I work at a small school. At 12:30, I have a lunch break. I usually bring lunch from home. I prepare a sandwich or a salad. I work until 2. After, I pick up my children from school and we get home around 3. In the evening, 2 or 3 times a week, I go to the park at around 6 p.m. because I like to stay healthy. When I get home, I cook dinner for my family. I enjoy cooking. After dinner, I relax by watching TV or reading a book. My day ends when I finally go to the bed and fall asleep. Now, you tell me something about you. What time do you get up in the morning? What do you usually have for breakfast? Write in the comments. Thank you and see you soon.